Updating your credit card on TrueLayer is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current and secure. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the TrueLayer website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, find the section labeled Payment Settings or Billing Information. This is typically located in your account settings or profile menu. Step 3. Select Credit Card Information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your credit card details. Enter your new credit card information including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check the details to ensure accuracy before moving on. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new credit card information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new payment method is registered. By following these steps, you can easily update your credit card on TrueLayer. Keeping your payment information up to date is essential for seamless transactions.